What's up? It's your man, Jimmy Chan. All right, we have another piecewise function here, and it's the dead giveaway because I have an f of x here, and I got 3 different things here, and I'm giving a bunch of intervals here, right? All right, so some of the critical points, I'm going to say the critical point is kind of probably 4, right? So I see a bunch of 4s here, so that's probably the critical part. So let me see here. I'm going to make this one red. I want to make this one blue. I want to make this one purple, because red, blue makes it purple. All right, so let's go ahead and make a table. And this might be a really, really big table. So I'm just going to do this. I'm going to leave it right there. So these are my x values. So the first one I'm going to do is x plus 2. It says it's going from -8 to 4. Okay. Now, I do have to go from -8 to 4. So let's start at -8. Okay. And then let's put a couple in between. Let's see. Let's do -4, then 0, then 4. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is, again, this is my x, but I'm going to do it for 4. Oh, sorry, that's -8. The second equation, the blue equation, right? And that is going to be at 4. And there's only one thing there. It's just going to be 4. So I'm done with that one. Ooh, such hard work. All right, and then I got the third one, which is the purple one, which is greater than 4. So this is going to be -x plus 7. So greater than 4, so I'm going to start at 4, then the 5, then the 6. Okay? So it looks like I did a pretty good job with the length of the table. All right, so, except the length of these are probably not so good. So let me go ahead and erase the rest of this and just take this and duplicate it down to here, to here, to here, and to here. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead and look at the red. At -8, it's going to give me a -6. -4, because I'm plugging -4 in for x. Now notice the red points for the red equation, blue points for the blue equation, and the purple for the purple equation. Okay? All right. So let's go back here. So when I plug -4 in, it'll be -4 plus 2 gives me a -2. 0 plus 2 is 2, and 4 plus 2 is 6. But when I look here at 4, it's going to be an open circle. And when I look at the -8, it's going to be a closed circle. Yeah, so I know that. Okay. And at 4, when it's equal to 4, is equal to -8. So this is still going to be -8. Now, this says equal to 4, so that means this is going to be that's right, a closed circle. And then for the purple, if we look at this, it says at 4 is going to be an open circle. Okay, so at 4 is going to be an open circle. If I put 4 into the equation, it will be a -4 plus 7. So that's going to give me a 3. -5 plus 7 is going to give me a 2. And -6 plus 7 is going to give me a 1. Awesome. And it continues on. So maybe I should probably even do this, saying this will be just an arrow on forever, right? All right, so let's go ahead and plot this right here. It's got to get to -8. So this is going to be a kind of a big graph here. All right. All right. So at -8 is going to be -6, -2, -4, -6, -8, -2, -4, -6. So it's going to be right here. There we go. And there's a closed circle. All right, so there you go. -4 is -2. At 0, it's going to be 2. And at 4, 2, 4, it's going to be at 6. So it's going to be an open circle there. There we go. So now I get to draw my line. And voila. All right. So my red equation is done from -8 to 4. And then here it says, for the blue, it says that 4 is equal to -8, and it's going to be a solid circle. So at 4 is going to be -8. So it's going to be right there. Solid circle. And then off to the purple. At 4, it's going to be 3. And it's going to be an open circle. There we go. And then at 5 is going to be 2. At 6 is going to be 1. So I have this line right here. Oops. You know what I should do? Let's do that. There we go, because it goes on forever. So there is my graph right there. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be choice B. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. See ya. Bye.